Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about pair of linear equation in two variable from class 10 CBSE syllabus. As I have already told you, the syllabus is pair of linear equation in two variable. Okay, so let us start. So today our topic of learning is pair of linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in one variable, we have already familiar with that. Linear equation in one variable, that is, if we take one equation 2x plus 3 equal to 0, that is a linear equation in one variable, because here variable, this is one variable and the highest degree is of this variable is 1. So this is linear equation in one variable. Now linear equation in two variable, that means an equation containing two unknown or two variable of highest degree 1. That is, if we are taking one general form ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where a, b, c are real number, a, b, c are the real number, and it called the coefficient. So this is called a linear equation of two variable. Understood? Now for example, if we take suppose 2x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0, this is a linear equation of two variable. Hope you are able to see it from the board. Okay. Next, on another example we can take, that is 3x plus 4y plus 6 equal to 0, that is also a linear equation of two variable. Understood? Or simply we can take 5x plus 3y equal to 2, that is also a linear equation of two variable. Okay, so these are the linear equation of two variables. Now next come to pair of linear equation of two variable. Pair of linear equation to two variable is a collection of linear equation involving the same set of variable. That is, if we take a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0, where a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2 are real numbers, then these are called pair of linear equation in two variable. Linear equation in two variable. Okay, by together taking these two equations, we are easily told that these are the pair of linear equation in two variable. Now next come to one quick thing, that is geometrical representation. Geometrical representation of pair of linear equation two variable. If the lines are intersecting, then the lines are look like that, this These are the geometrical interpretation of intersecting line. Intersecting lines. Next, parallel lines look like that. Okay. Parallel lines and coincident line. That means first line, then another line. So these are the coincident lines. Okay. So these are the geometrical interpretation or representation or interpretation, whatever you say, geometrical interpretation of pair of intersecting line, pair of line. Okay. Next move to types of pair of line. Types of pair of lines. Okay. The first one is inconsistent. Inconsistent pair of line or inconsistent pair of line. Inconsistent pair of lines. Now, inconsistent means a pair of lines which has no solution. That is, if we take a pair of line a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, then they will have no solution. They have no solution if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is equal to not equal to c1 by c2. Understood? So they will call the inconsistent pair of lines. Next, come to 2, that is, and they will have no solution. These are called also parallel lines. Okay. Next move to consistent pair of lines. Consistent pair of linear equation. Consistent pair of linear equation. Okay. Now, for consistency, a pair of linear equation of two variables which has solution. Pair of linear equation having a solution. Having a solution. Hope you are able to see it. Pair of linear equation having a solution. So it is possible when a1 equal to a2, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. It is possible only that, and these are called the intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Okay. Next move to dependent pair of linear equation. Dependent pair of linear equations. Dependent pair of linear equation. Now, a pair of linear equation which are equivalent to has infinitely many distinct common solution, which has infinitely many distinct common solution. They are called the dependent pair of linear equation. Now for that A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Understood? And they are called also coincident line. Understood? Or coincident linear equations. Okay. So that's it. These are the types of pair of linear equation. Next move to algebraic. Next we are moving to algebraic. Now there would be some question. There will be some question related to this consistency and inconsistency. So we have to solve that. So here I have taken one pair of linear equation, and we have to check this pair of linear equation having parallel, that means no solution, or coincident or infinitely many solution. We have to check that. So for that we are taking, and here A1 is equal to 5, B1 is equal to -1, C1 is equal to 7, A2 is equal to 10, B2 is equal to -2, and C2 is equal to 15. Understood? Now A1 by A2 that's equal to half, B1 by B2 that's equal to half, and C1 by C2 that's equal to 7 by 5. Understood? Now if we comparing it, we are getting A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. That means lines are parallel lines. That means they have no solution. Now again, this is the question number 1. Again one more question is given. We have to check that. Now here 3x plus y minus 14 is equal to 0, and 2x plus 5y minus 5 is equal to 0, obviously. So here 3 by 2 is not is equal to 1 by 5. So that means the intersecting straight lines, they are intersecting straight line. That's implying they are intersecting straight lines. Means having one solution. Okay. So by this process we have to check that the line are intersecting, that is one solution. For intersecting one solution, I am writing it. If it is intersecting, then one solution. If they are parallel, then no solution, and if they are coincident, infinitely many solution. Okay, infinitely many solution. So this we have to remember. Next move to one important thing. The thing is, similarly we can do this maths. This is the easy questions, easy type of question. We have to just compare the coefficients, the real coefficient that is given in two linear equation of two variable. We can easily get the type of that. Okay. Actually these are called the nature of solution of pair of linear, nature of solution. These are called nature of solution. Okay, or nature of straight line, or nature of solution or straight line, or lines, whatever we can say. Understood? Next, move to the main thing of this chapter, pair of linear equation in two variables, and the thing is algebraic method of solving pair of linear equation. Algebraic method of solving pair of linear equation. Algebraic method. Now there will be three methods. First one I am writing, that is substitution method. Substitution method. Second one, cross multiplication. Cross multiplication method I am not writing. Third one, elimination method. Elimination method. Understood? Now one thing we have to tell you that for a linear equation of one variable, suppose we are taking 2x plus 3 equal to 0. This is a linear equation of one variable. Now for solving this linear equation of one variable, we have to need at least one equation, that is this equation. From this equation we are able to solve it definitely. Understood? But for linear equation in two variable, when the variable is 2, here variable is 1, variable 1, and that is x. So equation 1. Now when the variable number is 2, then to solving them we need at least two equations. That means if we have a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, we can't solve it, since it's only one equation is given, one linear equation is given of one variable or two variable. Okay, so for solving that we have to need one more equation, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Minimum two number of linear equation must be needed, okay, so that we are able to solve it. Next one thing we have, that is the graphical representation of linear equation of two variable. Now the graphical representation you have already read in class 9, so I am not focusing on that part. I am just focusing the main part, that is the algebraic method of solving pair of linear equation. Okay.